To buy Bitcoin on Coinbase using PayPal. Start by creating a Coinbase account if you do not already have one. Go to the Coinbase website and click on the Get Started button. Then enter your name, email address, and password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Coinbase. Next, go to the Payment Methods page and click on Link a New Account. Then select PayPal as your payment method. You will be redirected to the PayPal website where you will need to log in to your PayPal account. Once you have logged in, you will be asked to authorize Coinbase to access your PayPal account. After authorizing Coinbase, you will be redirected back to the Coinbase website where you can select the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Choose your payment method as PayPal and confirm the transaction. The Bitcoin will be added to your Coinbase account immediately. It is essential to note that buying Bitcoin with PayPal on Coinbase is only available in certain countries and regions. Additionally, there may be higher fees associated with using PayPal compared to other payment methods. Make sure to review the fees before completing your transaction. To ensure the security of your transaction, make sure you are using a secure internet connection and that your PayPal and Coinbase accounts are protected with strong passwords. It is also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication on both accounts to add an extra layer of security. In conclusion, buying Bitcoin on Coinbase using PayPal is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily and securely buy Bitcoin using your PayPal account. Always review the fees and terms before completing your transaction and make sure to prioritize the security of your accounts.